Hey guys, it's Bacon's our Epic here. Today we're going to be playing Natural Disaster Survival. I lost my first recording, so now we're making a new one. And Bacon plays will be joining us. Where is he? He's somewhere here. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, shout out to Bacon Plays' channel. I'll put the link to it in the description if I remember. I am eating. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, if it sounds like I'm talking to someone, it's because I'm talking to Bacon Plays on Discord. You just can't hear him. Oh, I have the virus! In game. Alright, I don't know how I'm still alive. I should be dead right now, but my apple has saved me. Yeah? What? Okay. It's not letting me infect anyone. In game. And I'm dead. Should I buy the compass? I don't really know what the compass does. But, nah, I won't get it. Oh, sucks to be that person. You may be thinking, why would you go to the top? Like, there's like a 50% chance that it's going to be something that you need to go to the bottom for. And my answer to that is, I don't care. See? Okay, maybe I should go down, slightly more down. Where I have stable ground, like here. Think we should go down, to here, here. Where's Bacon Place? I don't see him. Oh, I see him. He's right over there. I don't think this will kill anyone. Maybe it'll kill the people on the top. I don't know. Oh, that guy at the bottom is dead. Oh no, no! I died! No! Like, two people lived! And there goes the tower. Hmm. I'm going. Okay, that's a weird avatar. Even though Bacon plays his avatar is kind of even weirder. Or weirder. Well, not really, but alright. I don't know. Okay, lots of people are gonna be going over to the tower. But since it's less stable and could be dangerous, I guess, I'm gonna stay at the house because I feel like it's very sustainable. I wonder if the trampoline works. Oh, there's someone's at the dock. Maybe they'll like get a boat or something from somewhere, I don't know. Okay, it's fire. Okay, this one's really easy. If you just stay on the grass, you're gonna be perfectly fine. Oh, oh, Bacon Plays is dead. Woo. Uh-oh. Woo. Will I survive? Oh no, no, no. Okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. So guys, I don't know if I should buy like the compass because I don't really know if what it does. You could like go and tell me what it does. You know what? I think I'll buy it anyways. Oh, oh no! The house is on fire. Well, there goes the lighthouse. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, Bacon Place just uploaded a new video. He'd probably really appreciate if you check that out. And I'm dead. Alright guys, after this round, I think I'm gonna get the compass. Cause, Bacon Place just told me it lets me pick the map, and that'd be really useful. And it'd be good for some, like, trolling, you know, like you could pick a map that, like, everyone would, like, die on or something. Or you could pick a map. We're above the clouds. Oh! Go, go, go down, go down, go down! That house, or not house. Is that a house? Oh no, I'm done. I'm screwed. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm gonna die. How am I still alive? Alright guys, I don't know how I'm still alive, but I am. Bacon Plays, where are you? Oh no, I'm falling. Okay. Oh, there's Bacon Place. He's right down there. I'm on a tower. Yeah. Bacon Place, do you see me? Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, I almost fell. Oh, no, 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 no! I'm alive! I'm alive! I lost my hair, though. Oh, no! Not again! I died. And, oh, at least Bacon Place survived. Giraffe. Oh, yeah, no, no, no. I forgot to get the. Okay, I think we'll do this round, and then the next round we'll be getting the compass, and then. Oh yeah, guys. So like like a couple months ago, a bunch of my friends and including Bacon Plays were competing, and well, no one really won, but Bacon Plays was the closest. So let me know if you guys think if I should like give him Robux. No, 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 no. Oh no, guys, I think I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Oh no! Okay, the block literally just broke underneath me, but I survived. Alright, we gotta go to the basement. Basement, basement. Alright, we're in the basement. Just, recording a video. Alright, Alright, we'll have one more round. You know what? I will face the acid rain. I am invincible. Oh no, I'm taking a lot of damage. Yeah? Nice. The time has come. Do, 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 do. Alright, time to buy the compass. Alright, we got the yellow compass. Okay, I have 3 options. I think we'll go for the rainbow ride. Alright, we got the rainbow ride. Let's go. Okay, vote for next location. We don't have enough time for this, but I'll just vote launch land just in case. Me and Bacon Place are just chilling in Ferris wheel. Oh no, don't do it. Uh-oh. This sucks! What do we do? Ah! Ah! Well, guys,